Good morning, my dear students. Students, today we are going to continue chapter 8 fractions. The name of the topic is addition of like fractions. So, we are going to discuss today addition of like fraction. Let us continue. Students, now how to add like fractions. As you all know, what are like fractions? Like fractions means the fractions that are having the same denominator. Okay, let us do some exercise. With the help of exercise, some question of exercise we will solve to understand the concept. Okay, so what are the steps for adding two or more like fractions? What are the steps? What steps we have to follow? So the first step is you have to add the numerator and firstly, okay, as you all know what is a numerator. So in this exercise 8.7, I am doing question number 1, and I am doing its A part. Okay, question number 1, A part. Okay, as you all know, find the sum of find the sum of find the sum of A 1 by 9 and 5 by 9. So how we will add this 1 by 9 and 5 by 9? Okay, so firstly what we will do, we will just write 1 by 9 first, then we will put in place of and we will put the addition sign. Okay, then we will write 5 by 9. Okay, now for our first step is to add numerator first. So here 1 and 5 is the numerator, so we will add 1 and 5. Okay, so add 1 and 5, 1 plus 5, these are the numerator. Firstly we have to add it, and then we have to write denominator. So we will write this denominator. 9 is there in the first fraction also, and 9 is there in the second fraction also, so we will take it as a common denominator. Okay, we will not add the denominator, we will take it as a common denominator. So what will be the answer? 1 plus 5 is 6, and divided by, or you can say upon 9, this will be our answer. This way we will add the like fraction. Let us do another example. So students, now I am going to do B part. B part is 4 by 11 and 3 by 11. Okay, we have to add 4 by 11 and 3 by 11. So what is the B part? B part is adding 4 by 11 and 3 by 11. How to add it? Let us check how to add it. Okay, so what we have to do, we will write 4 by 11. We will replace and by plus sign because we have to do the addition. Then 3 by 11. Okay, now what we will do, we will add the numerators. 4 and 3 are the numerator, so we will add 4 plus 3, and we will write 11 as a common denominator. So what will be the answer? 4 plus 3 is 7. The answer will be 7 by 11. This will be our answer. So we have done addition of two like fractions. Okay, now we are going to do addition of more than two like fractions. Okay, let us do the question number 2. So the question number 2 is add 5 by 18 plus 7 by 18 plus 1 by 18. Okay, so let us solve it. The question is 5 by 18, 7 by 18 plus 1 by 18. This is our question, right? So how to solve it? Firstly, we will add all the numerators. The first step is add all the numerator. 5 plus 7 plus 1. And we will take all the three denominator as a common denominator, because we will see that all the denominator are same. So we will take it as common, 18. So now you will add the numerator. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 by 18. The answer will be 13 by 18. This way we will add more than two like fractions. Okay, students, our next topic is subtraction of like fractions. So we will do subtraction of like fraction. So let us do. Okay, let us take one example to solve the question. Okay, so the example is subtract. Okay, what is the question? Question is subtract subtract 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. How to subtract it? Firstly, what we have to do is we have to subtract the numerators, means 2 minus 1. Firstly, we will subtract numerators, then we will write the common denominator. 3 is the common denominator, so what will be the answer? 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 upon my 3. So the formula is difference of their numerators upon my common denominator. This is the difference, 2 minus 1. This is the difference, 2 minus 1. This is the difference. So we will write difference here. Okay. And upon may, or you can say divided by the common denominator. See, 3 and 3 both are common. So we will write here as a common denominator 3 one time. Here also 1 by 3. So this way we will do the subtraction problem. Okay. Let us take one more example. We will solve 7 by 9 minus 5 by 9. This is our another example. Okay, 7 by 5, 7 by 9 and minus 5 by 9. So how to solve it? Okay, let us solve it. Right? What we will do, we will firstly subtract the numerator. 7 minus 5 upon me, we will write 9 as a common denominator, because in both the fraction 9 is written. So we will take it as a common. So 7 minus 5 is 2 and 2 upon me 9. So this will be the answer. Okay. Understood, everyone? Now let us take one more example. We have to subtract 3 by 8 from 5 by 8. So what we have to do is we have to firstly write the biggest number first. Okay, for subtraction 5 by 8 is the biggest number. So we will write 5 by 8. And now we will subtract 3 by 8 from it. Okay, the biggest number 5 in numerator, 5 is the biggest number. So I am putting it in front. So 5 minus 3 upon me 8. Upon 8, because I will take it as a common denominator. 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 by 8. This will be our answer. So this way you will solve your addition of like fraction and subtraction of like fraction. So students, I hope you all have understood it. Thank you and have a nice day.